Hey guys, so today we're gonna make a creme caramel. This is a Peruvian recipe, so yeah. So every time I make this dessert, I get a lot of compliments, and I just wanted to share my recipe with you. So we are going to need 5 eggs, a whisk, some sugar, that's 3/4 sugar, and evaporated milk, a can, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. That's from Peru. And a cell phone. Just kidding.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to caramelize the sugar. So I just took the 3/4 sugar all purpose into a small pan, into a small pot, and it's on medium heat, and it will caramelize in just a minute. So I have a really good pan, that's why it's taking...
Yeah, so that is almost done. Since I know this is almost done, this is the time to get your mold ready. This is a really cool recipe because you could do kind of anything with it. Like you can put it in any kind of mold and it'll come off and it'll just like be good with any mold. Today I'm gonna do like separate molds. I'm gonna do just like this Pyrex. You can use basically anything that can go in the oven. Don't use anything that's not oven safe. These are glass Pyrex, and they're safe for the oven. So yeah, this is really almost ready. Also, you can like do this straight onto the mold if you're doing like a big mold. You would be able to just put the sugar straight onto the mold and caramelize it there. But this is what we're doing today, since I'm gonna use my Pyrex mold, which are not safe for the oven top. Okay. So I have my sugar pretty much the brown that I want it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some sugar on all. So this is what they look like once I have put the caramelized sugar on top of the inside the mold. And yeah, so just twirl it around so you get a thin layer of sugar just on top of the mold all around. Like I said in my last video, I'm an expert. I'm just gonna crack 5 eggs into this bowl with one hand. There's 1 and 2 and 5. So like I mentioned before, I made a mistake. That's supposed to be 5 eggs, and we're just gonna whisk them. Here we have the whisked 5 eggs. There we have the other 5 eggs. We have just a splash of vanilla extract. So just for the sake of time, I'm gonna speed up the video. Basically, we have the 5 eggs whisked, add some vanilla extract, whisk some more, add the condensed milk, whisk some more, and then the evaporated milk, and continue to whisk. I thought it looked a little white, so I added more vanilla extract. So just to make it a little easier on myself, I put the bowl into the batter into this easy pitcher, and I will just serve. And I can already tell I have a lot of batter compared to my 7 little bowls that I got here. So no worries, we'll figure something out. Might save it for later. Or hopefully it fits. Oh look, like that. It's perfect. I am so surprised that it was actually like perfect. I have 7 bowls. The next thing to do is, I should have done this before, but so we're gonna preheat the oven to 350. I really should have done this before because it takes 6 minutes. And also, before you preheat your oven, if you're Hispanic, check what is in the oven, because you know we always leave everything inside, like pots and pans always be inside our oven. Okay, so check your oven and preheat it. So we're gonna grab a tray. Look, another Pyrex tray. This is also oven proof. We're gonna fill it with some water because we need to cook this in a bain-marie. I never realized this would be so handy. Okay, yeah, so we just put some water, not too much. Actually, we need some more. So we just put some water on here for the bain-marie. That might be too much, but we'll see. So we're just gonna put them on inside. I hope they all fit. Nope. So after several attempts, I found a tray that's gonna hold all of them. So my oven is now ready. It's been more than 6 minutes, and I'm just gonna pop them in. So the water I used is like lukewarm, I guess. It's just, I'll just turn on the cold water. It's not hot or cold or anything. So I put on the timer for like about 45 minutes. I'm just gonna check it at half an hour, and it's probably gonna be like about an hour, but I never did it in like 7 molds. I always just do it in like 15 molds, or like the big cake pan, so I don't want to overcook it. So just gonna check on it every half an hour, but it's probably gonna be about an hour. So this is exactly 45 minutes. Actually timed it exactly. They're like, you know, tough, hard to the touch. Oh, don't touch this, it's hot. And so yeah, that's what it looks like when it's fully cooked. I'm just gonna wait for them to cool down now, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is the end result. I made a little oopsie when cutting it, so just be careful when you're putting a knife. Oh, I guess I should show them. So how you unmold it is you just take a knife. That's not even the word. How you take it out of the mold is you just take a knife, you run it around the edge of the mold, and then you just give it a little shake, and then you put it upside down on a plate. So don't forget to subscribe if you want my nephew to stop crying. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section if you guys tried it and how it went. Oh my god, I forgot the last step. Enjoy!